Lovable Credit Card. Which one is better? Before you choose, here's something important. There's no single best credit card for everyone. The real question is which card fits your spending habits, rewards goals, and financial discipline in 2026. First, let's break down what people usually mean when comparing lovable or popular credit cards. Most users are really choosing between cashback cards, travel rewards cards, and low interest cards. A cashback credit card is great if you want simple rewards. Every time you spend, you get a percentage back in cash or statement credit. It's easy, predictable, and perfect for everyday spending like groceries, fuel, and online shopping. A travel rewards credit card is better. If you travel often, instead of cash, you earn points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and upgrades. These cards usually have stronger perks like airport lunch access and travel insurance, but they often come with annual fees. Then there are low interest or balance transfer cards. These are designed for people who want to pay off debt. They help reduce interest costs so you can focus on clearing your balance faster. So which one is better? If you want simplicity and daily rewards, cashback cards are the most lovable option for most users. If you travel frequently, travel cards give the most long-term value. But if your goal is debt management, low-interest cards are the smartest choice. The truth is, the best credit card is not the one with the most features. It's the one that matches how you actually spend and manage money. That's the real answer to Lovable Credit Card. Which one is better in 2026? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips and credit card breakdowns just like this. What is Apple